Shisni hadian ke jingmi Khubor Hakawei ke Kot Khubor India kebelatip ke Time of India halor ke jingja ki arngut shikurim ki balik kai pengach ki Thain Sohra ki bana ke Madhya Pradesh ki balatip kerteng uraja Raju Vanshi lembat kelok jong ke sonam kebeladap mentaja nyusngi naduk ke sngi ke bakilaja da ke ba kete ke Kot Khubor kalakenno ba ke Thain Sohra ke de ke Ktem ki Lehnoh Halor kete ke jingkeno kala penlong ya ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum ha kalai poterik ujemang lingba ke kerwo no presiden uba Larsing Ming Sauyan ban pinpau ke jingbom ya hab halor kete ke jingsha keno bat ongru ba kani ke jingkeno kalong kum ke jingalam bakla nakaliang uba Ming habakren lingba kilat pathai Khubor ulo ong baka jila Meghalaya kedai ke jila ke badan ke jingsuk bat kibriu jong kani ke jila kidi kibriu ki baju priang sngo bhai kinong jengok kai perthei klam dadon kanu kanu ke jing thumu ke basniu bat ulo ong bakum kani ke jing keno ki pat ba ke jila kimla ban priang bat kenturu ya kani ke Kot Khubor haba ki penmi ya kanu kanu ke Khubor don kam banwa jingtep ka batikna khamtam haba ki don chejingai
Tourism Development Forum Kabadesh Pang ka Jingja Station for Jingja Kaba Sosi Station for Thain Sohra Rim but Bagadi Bakawai the press article of the Benin national paper jaka Times of India Abaki Kintho ba kita ki Thain jong ki Khasi Hills kita ki crime prone area but let's say kita ki jaka shate ba kilap ya ka scooter bagi ong bagi jak kita ki arut ki bawan no juga station ni kita ki jaka kita ki jaka ki ham bon ki jumlah no ini kita ai kaba lega statement kaba bakla ba ti nyekren naka English shi amba kani ke issue gadai ban address jaka national media kamtam banata media chani na ning ba. With me I have Bayan Lehnoh, who is the General Secretary of the MTDF and a senior member of the Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum. This briefing is essentially to make a statement on behalf of the tourism fraternity of Meghalaya with regard to the unfortunate incident or situation that has happened wherein a couple who have visited the Sohra Cherrapunji Nongriat area have been found missing for the last few days. Now, while we really pray and hope that nothing untoward has happened, it is really captured the mindscape of all the people in Meghalaya that all of a sudden two people have disappeared, which generally doesn't happen. As we know, Meghalaya is a state that is growing as a tourism destination, especially in the last 10 years and more so in the last 5 years. And the areas towards Cherrapunji, Sohra, Dauki and the entire areas of the South Khasi Hills is an area which is growing rapidly, and rural tourism is now really in the fore of the Meghalaya's tourism growth story. In fact, of late, people who come to Meghalaya prefer to go to these areas more than even coming to Shillong. And this is the reality with which we are in today. This, in a way, is a game changer for the rural economy of Meghalaya. And the people of the Khasi Hills, the people of Meghalaya have embraced tourism because we see it as an opportunity for our population, for our local people to garner employment and a source of livelihood from this exercise. So it is with deep regret that till date the two, and we hope that with the search operations, we really hope that they will be found and they'll be safe and sound. However, we would like to turn our attention to a very, very unfortunate article that has come out in one of the national dailies yesterday, wherein our hills have been branded as crime prone. Now, this is a very, very, very serious statement to make because it insinuates that Meghalaya or the Khasi Hills is an area prone to crime, which is highly, highly misleading and condemnable. We all know that we are a peace-loving society, and our local communities here, we believe in welcoming tourists, and never has there been any incident which relate to crime or any sort of untoward incidents as far as visitors coming into Meghalaya are concerned. This statement presents Meghalaya in a very, very unfortunate circumstance, and we take this opportunity to request the publication, the news network that has carried this article, to kindly clarify this particular statement that they've made, because such statements will have far-reaching consequences towards the development of tourism or the confidence building measures of inviting more people to come and visit Meghalaya. As we all know, in the very, very recent few months, we have had major international events happening in Meghalaya. The Meghalaya growth story has been fairly significant. We've had the Cherry Blossom Festival, where international artists like Akon have come and performed. We've had a concert in December where the world famous international musician Brian Adams has performed. We've had another concert where a very, very young singing sensation of the world today, Ed Sheeran, has performed. Also, in the last 1 month, we had cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar come and spend 5 to 6 days in our beautiful hills, visit various villages, interact with the children, interact with the people, and leave with very, very pleasant memories. In the background of all these great and good positive happenings, we request the publication to kindly issue a corrigendum and clarify to the fact that Shillong, Meghalaya, and our hills are not crime prone thoroughly. And we also would like to impress upon the fact that today, in these days, the northeast of India is growing economically as a region of development. We are in a critical phase in the Indian growth story where the economic integration of Northeast India with Southeast Asia and the rest of mainland India is highly, highly critical for the nation's growth and for the integration of our great nation. We are also aware that in the recent times we have had international skirmishes towards the western side of this country, where the unfortunate incident that happened in Kashmir shattered the lives of 26 families. It broke the hearts of 1.4 billion Indians. But what it also did was cripple the economy of that region. And we know that forces inimical to the nation's growth are also working towards destabilizing our nation at a time when we have overtaken Japan as the third largest country in the world in terms of GDP. The northeastern growth story has begun, and it is moving forward and it is rising, and it is this time that we request the national media to be very responsible in how you report stories that come out of the Northeast. We are ready to accept the criticism that we deserve. We are ready to raise our hands if there's anything that needs to be rectified. However, untruths being sent out into the national media and printed out for the readership of the larger part of the rest of the country are things that we cannot afford as a region. Therefore, we take this opportunity to request the national media to kindly not only sensationalize stories that are not very positive. Definitely do not sensationalize news that is untrue. But please understand that we want news that is genuine to also flow out of this part of the country. And we take this opportunity to request the national media to kindly look at the Northeast from every angle possible, be transparent with your news dissemination, and let us all work together to take Meghalaya forward, to take the Northeast forward in the right direction, especially in these times where we have nations towards our south with establishments and governments not been very favorable of late, sending out statements to other nations on our north about how we can, in a way, destabilize the northeastern part of India. So we take this opportunity as the Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum to work with Meghalaya, work with the Northeast, work with the people of Northeast, work with the people of Meghalaya in growing our economy and taking our great region and our great nation forward. Thank you.